Hello, my friends. My advice to the beginners, not to take the big board, but start with a smaller one. You need to practice first before you can start to carve a large pattern. And I don't advise you to color stain it before carving for the reason of, on a dark surface, every carving mistake would be highly noticeable, and unfortunately at the beginning you will make some mistakes. For the first time, let's take a clear board, not stained, and mark it with the ornament. To mark an ornament, we don't need all those expensive tools. We need a basic compass, pencil, ruler, and eraser. I would suggest using a soft pencil. Hard pencil will leave marks on the wood and it would be difficult to erase. Let's take a soft pencil and start drawing the ornament. How to mark the board? Find the center, place the compass, and starting at the edge, draw a circle. Remember, don't push too hard. Mark the edge of the circle at the top using a compass. Divide the circle into several equal parts. And again, don't push too hard on the board. Next, connect all the dots through the center according to our drawing. And again, remember not to push too hard with the pencil because you will need to erase some mistakes at some point. Next, we will divide our circle into more equal parts. Again, using a compass, continue dividing the circle. Find the random point that pencil will connect the edge and the next dividing line. Make a half circle. And continue doing so on the whole board. Now, draw another smaller one in the center. With a slightly smaller radius, draw another half circle inside of the half circle. And here you go, the first mistake. Didn't choose the right drawing point. Not a big deal. Use a razor to fix it. Second attempt, smaller radius and draw a half circle. And so on. And the whole circle. And don't be afraid, mistake will happen. Even experienced carvers do make mistakes. Try not to make it, but if you do, learn from your mistakes. For the beginners, I try to show a simple drawing. You will get to more complicated drawing with experience. Because this is intended for beginners, it will mostly be triangles. Next, divide those parts into half again. You don't have to measure exactly because it's not essential. Make another circle inside and connect edge points, making triangles. You can use a ruler or you can do this by freehand. And here we'll draw some diamonds from the center to the edge, center to the edge, and all the way around. If you came across too small knots, that's okay. Wood is wood as long as you don't have big knots in the wood, because they might split and spoil the whole drawing and the carving experience. Using the same radius, make half circle and the petal inside. And here you go. Okay, find the point and make a couple more petals. And so on to every top section of the circle. Now divide those triangles into 3 parts, more or less equal parts. Don't have to use a ruler, but as long as the lines are straight. And so on, fill in the circle. Divide these triangles into 3 equal parts. You can divide for the more parts, but 3 is good. Now using a compass, draw a light, very light line and draw triangles inside. You can do it freehand, don't have to necessarily use the ruler. Now the drawing is ready. I would suggest not to draw any ornament for now, to avoid smoothing it with your hands while carving the inner drawings. We will draw it later.